In this video, we will show how to set up WhatsApp widget on your storefront. So first of all, here we can choose the country code. So in our case, we will be choosing United States, and then we just need to enter the WhatsApp number. Next is the size of the WhatsApp widget. We have sizes which start from small and up to the double XL. In our case, we will be choosing medium size. And here now we can choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on our storefront page. So right, like I'm here choosing the right. Next, here we have the option to write the pre-filled message for our customers so that then when they send us the message, they can share that they choose that pre-filled message. Like here, I'm going to write, I get it painful. Next, here we have the option to show that widget on all pages, or we can show the widget on selected pages like home page, collection, product, cart, or blog. And also we can show about our contact and FAQs. In next section, we have the option to display the WhatsApp widget either in desktop view or in mobile view or on both. So I will be choosing display on both here. Okay, next is the WhatsApp type. We can choose like either the customer when he is press the WhatsApp widget here to WhatsApp desktop or WhatsApp web. Next, we have the option to include the page URL in chat when a customer sends an initial message. So in this way, we will know that from where our customer is reaching to us. In this chat button text label, we can write any text label which will be shown along with our WhatsApp widget. Okay, finally, here we have the button designs. We have many options to choose the premium button design, whatever we like or which resembles close to our storefront theme. And here we can do this check if we want to get more updates from Zaplet AI. Then we have to save this. After saving this, we also need to make sure that the widget is enabled in our theme. So here we need to make sure that the Zaplet AI is enabled here and also save it. So here in Orland store, now we can see that the WhatsApp button is showing here.